Welcome to my YouTube channel, Robin Custom Wig Designer. This is Robin Lewis from RL Here Studio, founder and owner. I am here today doing a balayage lightening on my weft. This is a 12-inch kinky hair, and I'm doing a bleaching process. I'm using a Developer 40 with the quick blue powder. I already mixed everything up, so I'm just applying the chemical on the hair. This week is my 16th year anniversary in business. It was two, 16 years ago I created RL Here Studio. I started my business 2005, November 2nd. So I was preparing this look for that day so I can enjoy myself and celebrate. Yes, guys. So if this is your first time on this channel, please click the notification bell so you could be notified when I upload videos every Thursday at 2 p.m. I hope to see you, and I'm glad that you're here. Anyway, so yes, I'm almost done, so I'm just trying to get rid of all of the product on the entirety of both of the bundles. I did two bundles for this demonstration. One is a 10-inch and one is a 12-inch. And now I'm brushing it through. You already see that the hair is taking shape. You see it lightening up. So I'm just covering it up with some foil so it can process a little faster and so I can have the desired finish. Here it is. I rinsed off the hair and it's exactly what I am looking for. Hi, I also had lightened my ends of my hair where now you will see me blow drying it so I can be prepared to apply the wefts. I did some, I burned myself. I did some gluing of the weft. I didn't do, sewing and stuff like that because I'm not going to leave it in too long. But this is me getting ready to go out and beat up my face, and this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a comment, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys.